800 pesos per hour ang pwede mong kitain sa pagtuturo ng English? Di nga. Interesado ka, no? O siya, panoorin mo tong video ko. May dalawang paraan para maging English tutor ka. Una, mag-join ka sa isang company or kumuha ka ng handler. Pangalawa, mag-freelancer ka. So, 800 pesos per hour ang gusto mong kitain, di ba? So, doon tayo sa freelancing. Ang keyword dito, reply. But wait, hindi po sponsored to. I'm giving you an idea kung saan ka pwedeng kumita ng 800 pesos per hour. Actually, even more. Reply is an online tutoring marketplace that offers language learning and other subjects through video calls. It connects students with tutors from around the world. So yan, just make an account in this platform and wait for students to contact you. Pero there's another way para makakuha ka ng estudyante. Kung meron kang kaibigan na nasa abroad, like for example, Japan, Korea, France, and other non-English speaking countries, you can talk to them to connect you with the people they know who need English lessons. Siyempre, aputan mo na lang yan para ma-inspire naman mag-recruit ng students for you. Pero bago mo gawin yan, alamin mo muna paano ba maging English tutor. Follow mo ang social media accounts ko cause my contents are all about teaching English as a second and foreign language. I also wrote a book for English tutors designed for newbies. It has 10 chapters na makakatulong sa'yo para masimulan mo ang English tutorial journey mo. Send me a message to know how to avail it.